Well, I work at one of the resorts here in Palm Springs, and I was traveling by my bicycle on my way to work, and as I was turning the corner off of Indian Canyon where this happened, the explosion happened. It knocked me off my bike. It was that big of an explosion. And I could hear windows shattering all around me. A lot of cars on the street screeched to a stop. You could hear things kind of moving around. When something this big happens in your town, it's certainly not expected, but it's also, you ask yourself, why would we draw that kind of attention? Why would anybody want to do something that was so awful? You know, to that fertility clinic here is actually sort of a wonderful thing. And the idea that, you know, that somebody would not approve of such a thing. When somebody comes for the joy of building a family, it's too much to grasp. Yeah, I think people should very rightly be shocked about things like this. You know, that what they're telling you is that your individual rights, your right to create a family, your right to live in a community, your right to be yourself, is something that somebody is going to push against, that they're going to suppress, that they're going to say no to, is incomprehensible. And a terrible sign of the times we live in. Terrible.
All of a sudden we hear a big boom and we're like, wow, what just happened? We look, we notice everyone rushing, pointing, bringing out their cameras, big cloud of smoke, and we realize, oh my God, something serious happened. And made our way to the front, and we just saw the front of the clinic completely blown out, and we're like, wow, something like super serious just happened over here. But pretty scary scene for Palm Springs, which nothing usually ever happens here. Explosion was so crazy, it blew out the glass of this liquor store. Look at this liquor store. Oh my God. All from this explosion, poor guy. Damn. This liquor store got from the explosion. Look at this, dude. Damn, crazy explosion. Glass and everything everywhere. Guys, look at this. We are right here. This whole building exploded. Jesus. Damn. That was someone's body part.